The number one lesson, and I discussed it a little bit earlier, is that location is so important. I cannot stress how important your location is. For applicants who choose to move to Manitoba, the exact same business might have significant benefits in Manitoba. Same amount of investment, same plan. You're obviously, have the same experience. But you might be instantly recognized and your decision or your application might be approved in Manitoba, whereas it might take a lot longer or eventually be refused if it's in Toronto. The second message I want to give is when coming up with your business plan and your plan to enter Canada, be realistic about your business. The IRCC has clarified that there isn't a specific investment amount. The focus for C11 is broader than that. The focus is on significant benefits, right? It's not on you need $100,000 or else you can't come to Canada. It doesn't say that anywhere. And so we don't need to inflate your investment and make it unrealistic, because then that's something for the IRCC to pick at, right? If you say you're going to establish a business in Canada and in the first year you're going to reach 2 million in sales, well, you better have a good reason for it. Otherwise, the IRCC is going to say, you're an entrepreneur or a business owner. Aren't you supposed to be able to project this thing accurately? And so right away, I'd say, be realistic about the financials. And message number 3 is about that new language requirement. I think a lot of people are immediately kind of concerned with it because they didn't contemplate needing this, or maybe they don't have, like federal skilled worker needs C11, which is fairly high, right? And if you're at a temporary work permit, that's a lot of language skills to invest in Canada for a temporary work permit, right? But I think that the IRCC I know that the IRCC hasn't specified the exact level of language that you need. And what this tells me is that they're open to us, open to interpretation a little bit.